how did you first hear about Bandanas?
We just got off the lake. We were driving and we saw an exit sign that said Bandanas BBQ, and that sounded good, so we stopped in.
Sweet. Okay, and what'd you order today?
Oh, we shared the same thing, but we got the brisket, ribs, and pork on the three meat platter.
Sweet. Okay, and how would you describe your experience tonight?
Best I've ever had in almost everything.
Awesome. Great.
It's really good. I mean, we're from Illinois. We don't got much good barbecue there, but this place, ooh, it was good.
Good. All right, and why would you recommend Bandanas to someone?
It's why or when? You say why or when?
Why?
Oh, sorry. But it's delicious.
Perfect.